Hey friends, if Windows keeps adding keyboard layouts without permission, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before this, let me explain the cause. Basically, we have languages for different options like basic typing, text to speech recognition, etc. So, there are languages which don't have all options. Now, here's what happens. There is a setting. If it is enabled, then if your language does not have that option, then new languages are installed. So you can disable it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select typing in the right pane, click on advanced keyboard settings. There is an option which says use language list recommended. Select English US so that you stick to one language. And as for the switching inputs mode, uncheck both of these boxes. Actually, the first one should definitely be unchecked. Let me use a different input method for each app window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.